Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm doing this cute blueberry lemonade set. So if you want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. I'm not going to do any prep today. I'm just going to hop straight in with my peel off base coat so the nails pop off. And then I'm going to go in with the extend gel on the underside of the extension, apply it to my natural nail at a 45-degree angle, press it down until it reaches the free edge, and then flash cure. I'm going to do that to all of the nails, and then I'm going to put them in the full-size lamp for the full time. Once all the nails are fully cured, I'm just going to go in with my 100 grit file to shape them up. My index finger is white like that on the side because I used acetone to chemically etch the underside of the nail instead of my primer. I don't know what I was thinking, but definitely don't use acetone to do that. I was just moving too fast. But once I'm done, then I'm just going in with my sanding band to remove the shine. This is at like probably 7,000 rotations per minute. But you can also just use a buffing block. And then I'm just going to do that to all the nails before I go in with my 5-in-1 bit to seal the cuticle. To care for. Maybe all you need is a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is my time, that I got plenty of, I'll dedicate all my love unto you only, baby. I wanna stay by your side, be there to cool you up, and let you know everything. Once I'm done sealing the cuticle with my drill, I'm just going to go in one more further step to seal the cuticle with a brush dipped in acetone and just rub the cuticle area about 2 to 3 times in either direction. So I applied my base color, my nude base color, to all of the nails. I accidentally did the index when I meant to do this color, but you can barely see it. So I just did a little bit of the yellow color that I'm going to use for the lemons, dipped with some clear because I want it a little bit translucent. Don't you forget it, if the first thing you felt won't ever do for reasons, it's only because you ain't here. I can feel it in the air, my cold sweat dripping everywhere. I'm all in, I don't even care as long as you're waiting. Playing in my bed, I'm forget what everyone said. I'm all in, I couldn't care less as long as you're true leader. Then I'll oblige, promise to please ya. If you're open fire, then it's treason. And I decide to go out swinging. If you shoot, then you can bet every single dollar and your last few cents that I will too. And I mean it. Tell me where do we go from here? Can't feel it in the air like cold sweat. Dripping everywhere, I'm all in. I don't even care as long as. So I did French on all of the nails except the full lemon nail. For that one, I'm just going to outline it in white, and that's going to represent the pith of the lemon. So now I'm just going to go in the center with like a little star shape to represent the center of the lemon pith. And then I'm just going to draw 8 lines for each of the lemon segments. And once I have that, I'm just going to kind of round out the edges. So once the white is done, I'm just going to fully cure that, and then I'm going to go in with the outer layer of the lemon with that same yellow that I used for the base color mixed with clear, and I do 2 layers of that. For the ring finger for the blueberries, I'm just going to do 3 dots, all different sizes and very close together, so it looks like a little bit of a cluster. And then for the accent nails for the middle and the thumb, I'm going in with that same blue from the blueberries. I'm going to go in with 2 layers of this blue outline on the pinky before I go in with the white polka dots, and I'm going to cure in between each coat. For the lemon, I'm just going to create a little oblong oval type shape, and I'm going to cure that before I go in with the leaves. I'm curing everything in sections just so the design doesn't mess up. And then for the leaves, I'm just creating a line and then making it a little bit fatter in the center and making sure it's very skinny towards the end. I do cure that and then go in with a darker green in the center to represent the stem. And then on the lemon on the pinky and also on the outer edges on the index, I do go in with some tan dots, tan mixed with yellow to create like little dimension. I am going to top coat all of these nails. I did realize that I messed up the thumb. I must have hit it when I went in the lamp. So I was not about to do it again. So I just went in with a cuticle bit, and I'm kind of like very lightly buffing off the portions that were smeared. And then I'm just going to go ahead and top coat that. And for the blueberries and the lemon, I'm going straight in with some rhinestone gel on top of the top coat. And on the blueberries, obviously just going to do little dots directly on top of the blueberries. And I am going to cure in between each one just to make sure they don't move around. I'm going to do the same thing for the lemon.
but instead of a dot, I'm going to do like a horizontal line around the outer edges of each lemon segment. And then for my liner brush, I am going to dip that in a little bit of yellow, so that way there's small pieces of yellow on each portion of every lemon segment. So I'm doing that horizontal line with the rhinestone gel, and then I'm dipping my liner brush in the yellow and dragging each bit of gel, rhinestone gel, towards the center of the pith of the lemon. So once the rhinestone gel is cured, the lemon nail is complete. And then for the blueberries, I'm going to add a little bit more detail. I'm just going to go in with a darker blue and add little X shapes. And that's going to represent the butt of the blueberry, or where it's picked. And then I'm going to add a little bit of white to create a little more dimension. And I'm just going to fan that out with a brush dipped in acetone. And this is how they turned out. Let me know what you guys think down below. I think they're super cute. Let me know which nail is your favorite, as well as if you have any video suggestions. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.